Hello everybody, it's Brandon again. So this morning I fired up my Asus L210M laptop that has ChromeOS Flex installed on it, and I am on the dev channel, and I noticed there was an update. I went ahead and did that, just took about a minute or two. I now have version 103.0.5060.18. Exciting. Now, I looked around a little bit. I don't know what else changed. I assume they just fixed some bugs, maybe improved some hardware support. One thing I noticed though, and maybe this was already there since the first version 103 update, but I now have the Screencast app. And again, I don't know if this is just brand new in this update or if it's been there for a few weeks and I just didn't even notice it until now. But we're going to do another video exploring this in more detail. But that's something new that I just noticed. And then another problem, not something new. This isn't with this particular update, but with the one before this. And I didn't even realize this until somebody pointed out to me in the comments, but the gallery app does not show up anymore in your list. But the gallery is still on here, so I can go to external drive, where did I save all my YouTube videos? Here we go. And I can play a video, and it comes up in the gallery app, which I guess you could just open a video and then pin the gallery app to your taskbar down there and then have it. But yeah, so far as I could tell, you can no longer just open gallery from the from here. And I don't know if that's a bug or if that's intended. You guys can let me know if it still works on yours. So yeah, anyway, if you're using ChromeOS Flex, there's an update out today. I might as well get it and see if it improves some hardware support. Like always, every time I get an update, I check if my SD card is working yet on this Asus L210M laptop. The answer is no, still doesn't work. If anyone from Google happens to see this, SD card reader does not work on this particular laptop. It'd be great if it did. And like I said, I'll probably do a separate video on that Screencast app that I found. But if you guys notice anything else new in this release, let us all know in the comments. Otherwise, go ahead and get your update and see if it made things better for you. Until then, thank you guys for watching. And as always, I hope you all have a good day. Bye now.